Making holiday treats with Charlene Patton from the Kansas Soybean Commission. And we made one in our first half hour. Now we're ready to do a soy butter snack ball.
And it won first place in the State Fair contest this year.
It was a recipe submitted by Nancy Connard from Topeka, Kansas.
We have 1 1/4 cups of quick cooking oatmeal here in our mixing bowl. And to that, we have 1 cup of soy nut butter. So if you have allergies or if you're allergic to peanut butter, this is a great recipe to use for the holidays for snacks and cookies. And you know, we were saying earlier, everyone always needs another recipe for that cookie plate you're going to do, or for when you have company, or just, this makes a great recipe that you could, and I'll scrape that off for you there. Yeah.
Got as much as I could there.
Yeah. Everything's just a little cold this morning. There we go. Okay, now you have 1/3 cup of honey, and you can add that in. We'll get to mixing this here. And one of the things I do with my honey is that I spray with just a little vegetable spray the measuring cup. Or you can use a margarine wrapper just to kind of wipe the inside of it, and your honey will come right out.
Would that be a good idea to do with the soy butter too?
We could have done that, yeah. The reason the soy butter is a little cold this morning is just because you don't put it in the refrigerator, and it's cold out this morning, so it's got a little bit firmer. Yeah, that's right. Now you're going to add the flaxseed. That's 1/2 cup of flaxseed that we'll mix into this. And then we have 1/2 cup of chocolate chips. And just use a spoon and keep mixing this all together until it's mixed really good. And this makes a great recipe for kids to make for the holidays. So if you're looking for a recipe to get them involved. Then we have a little bit of cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. How easy is that? No baking involved, so we will just mix this until it's mixed together really well. And then what I found was that I put it in the refrigerator for maybe about 30 minutes, and it sets up just a little bit. And then use a measuring spoon, and I used just a tablespoon measuring spoon that helps you to portion them out, and then have the children wash their hands first, and then roll them into balls, and then they're ready to eat.
When we're making like chocolate chip cookies, they're always constantly wanting to put them into balls this tight. I'm like, yeah, you don't have to do that with those, but this time you can.
So you have 2 different recipes here for the cookie plate.
And we wanted to pull out the first one again, the chocolate edamame delights, to show that, you know, just in a matter of, 10 minutes, that they
set right up, didn't
really
they?
good. So I've got 2 cookies to try, and we'll have both of these recipes connected on our website at komnewsnow.com.
Yes, and then I want to mention, too, we have our Soy Foods Guide, and since we're talking about heart-healthy recipes, we have a whole section in here on the heart-healthy recipes and ideas to get us started for the new year.
This is super tasty.
It is good, isn't it?
That's nice. Very good. Again, you can find these on our website, and I hope you have a wonderful Christmas.
Thank you.
And a Happy New Year.
Thank you. Happy holidays and Merry Christmas to you, too.
And I guess we'll see you in January.
Okay, I'll be here.
All right, we'll be right back.